Hello, in this video we will show you our new update on Cute Characters pack on Asset Store. This time we not only provide you with high quality assets for characters creation, but we also created a big update on customization. With this new tool you can change your character's outfit in one click. And today I will demonstrate you how to use this nice tool. So I installed our package in this project. We should click to Tools section and select Character Customization. In this window you can easily customize your characters. Select different parts of your outfit to wear them on character. There is also a randomize button. It will create randomly a character from different outfits. Customize it a little bit, and now we should save it. In this field you can enter the name of the character. If you won't provide a name, then it will just simply name it character and the number of the character which is saved. Click Save Prefab button to save the character. You can find your characters in Creative Characters, Saved Characters. In this way you can create multiple characters with different outfits. So let's move to the next topic, emotions in our pack. You can make your character sad, happy or cruel with this new component. It is called Face Picker. We created an enum to select a specific option. I will make this character happy. More than that, we created a third-person controller with simple animations for demonstrating our new characters. It is automatically added on the character. Note that you should check the animator section. Please deselect Apply with Motion toggle. And if your main camera is not the camera for the character, select another camera in Camera Property. Let's start the game and play. I probably said character quite a few times, but now we are done with them. Let's move to another part of this video. In this part I will show you how you can add some custom outfit. As an example we will be using head model. We also do provide a separate video on how to edit different models from our packages. It's linked in the description, you can go and check it out. But I will shortly explain you how to do this in this video as well. In Blender we already have our body mesh. We will select the top part of the head to create a head from it. We will duplicate these polygons and create a new geometry. I will create two spheres to represent ears of the head, and finally set it to some color. After this I will rotate it by -90 degrees by x-axis with the whole body. If you are a complete beginner and you don't know how to export models from Blender to Unity, watch the video linked in the description. We talk exactly about exporting. Now we should select head and armature, and let's go to exporting window. Select the directory where you're gonna export your model, toggle on selected object option, select FBX Uniscale and toggle off these 3 ticks. Select the armature section and toggle off these 2 ticks. And let's press export. Let's return to Unity. I exported model to project directory, but you can export it to any other place as well and then move it to Unity. Here let's go to Creative Characters, Configs. And there is a scriptable object, which you can open in your inspector. Let's do this. And there are multiple sections with different types of prefabs. We should find element 7, which is head. You see there is a small enum with different types. We should search for head. Open variant list and add our models as a new element. Now it should appear in your creation tool. So that's everything about our new tool for Cute Characters package on Unity Asset Store. Go and check it out, you might like it to create your own game with different characters. We provide you with high quality assets and good tools for developing. If you will have some troubles or questions, then write us in Discord server, or to our email, or in the comments below. Thanks for watching and bye!